Hello and welcome to part 2 of platformer series. So what we are going to do is we had already implemented our sprint feature in the last video. So now we are going to add the crouch movement. This crouch movement is very simple. We go back to project settings, we click on plus icon. Again we are going to type in the name of our action, that is going to be crouch. Press this icon of keyboard and then press the key we want to select for crouch. Left control. I think that's good. So we go back to our master character, and then we right click and then we type in crouch and then input action events crouch. This is the one we want. Okay, we select our character movement and type in crouch here, and we see that can crouch is set to turned off, so we enable it, and that's what we had to do primarily for crouch feature. Now we drag a pin, type in crouch. This is it, unreleased. Or we could rather do something like add a flip-flop. I like to toggle crouches, so we can click on this and then uncrouch with this. So when we press our crouch key once, it is going to crouch. When it is pressed the other time, it is going to uncrouch. Okay, but our animations will not know how or when our character is crouching. So what we do is we open up and we right click animations and create a new blend space, one dimensional, for our crouch. So we are going to name this one bs underscore ninja underscore crouch. We open it up. We are going to bring in our crouch idle, snap to grid. Our speed is going to be 200 at max. Number of grid divisions, let's set it to 2. And our crouched walking set here. Right. I think that's good. We set our smoothing time to 0.2. Spring damper cubic. That's it. That's what we had to do for our crouching animations. Let's just save all just in case. Okay, our crouch is set up, so we go here and then we get character movement components. Get character movement is the last one, and from here we are going to get is crouching. We can select both and press Q to make them equal, to straighten out the connection. And then I am going to promote this to a variable call it is crouching. So we have our is crouching setup. Now we go in our locomotion and we just go to asset browser, bring in our ninja crouch. Sorry, I forgot to do this. I forgot to name this. Let's name this speed as well. And back here we are going to bring in the speed variable and attach it over here. Into locomotion we are going to attach it on both ways. So when do we transfer ourselves to ninja crouch blend space? We do this when we are crouching, so we just simply drag and connect the pins here. We go back, and now when do we go back from crouch to standing? When our is crouching is false, so we go not boolean and then connect this pin. We compile. This should work. And anim preview editor, we can go is crouching and see our character is going down. But there is going to be one more issue. if we go to capsule collision and we unhide it from game view, it has to be hidden in game. It has to have a hidden in game feature. Yeah, there it is. Hidden in game to false. If we go back to our character and then play it, when we go crouch, you see that it reduces to a very small height. So to what this small height will do is it will create collision issues. So to set those collision issues, what we are going to do is we are going to go to BP master class, go to capsule component collision, and then type in crouch, sorry, go to character movement and type in crouch half height. So we are going to increase crouch half height to 70, maximum walk speed crouch to 200. I think that should be good. See, now our capsule collision is considerable when we are crouched. It's matching our character's height. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe for our next part. See